Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 816195. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the Cooler Master Storm Stryker. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Iron Tundra liquid cooling unit with UV orange coolant, and that is cooling an Intel Core i7 5960X processor. On either side of that, you have 32 gigabytes of 2133 MHz DDR4 RAM, which are being cooled by Black Kingston HyperX memory coolers. Now for your graphics card, you selected SLI GTX 980s, and between your graphics cards is your 1300 megabits per second network adapter. At the bottom, for sound, you selected a Sonar Essence STX sound card. For cable sleeving in the system, you selected individually sleeved green cables, and for lighting, you selected an NZXT Hue color-changing LED strip. All these components have been installed on an ASUS X99 Deluxe motherboard. You also selected 5 Cooler Master Sickle Flow fans. We have 2 green on the top of your radiator, 2 red on the bottom of your radiator, and 1 more green on the front left of your chassis. Powering your system is a Corsair AX1200i power supply, and for storage you selected dual Samsung 840 Pro Series 512GB SSDs in RAID 0 format, along with a secondary Western Digital 2TB Caviar black hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, starting from the top, you have your power button, your reset button, your LED switch and fan controller. These have been disabled because you did select an AeroCool V12 XT fan controller below, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, your headphone and mic jack, the control panel for your NZXT Hue lighting system, a DVD writer, and the reservoir for your liquid cooling unit. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have your USB BIOS flashback button, 10 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 Ethernet ports, your motherboard antenna ports, and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the ports for your graphics cards. You have 2 DVI, 6 display, and 2 HDMI. Between your graphics cards are the antenna ports for your wireless adapter. When you receive your computer, there will be a black box included which will have your antennas for your wireless adapter. You will want to install those once you receive the computer. And at the very bottom we have the ports for your Sonar Essence STX sound card. Now when plugging in any sound devices, you do want to disregard the ports on your motherboard and use the ports below on your sound card. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't physically see. In File Explorer, your 2 512GB SSDs are appearing as one 1TB hard drive. That's because they are in RAID 0. And your 2TB secondary hard drive. In System Properties, Windows 7 Professional is your operating system, and that is to utilize your 32 gigabytes of RAM. And you also have an Intel Core i7 5960X 8-core processor. In Device Manager, your dual Nvidia Geforce GTX 980 graphics cards, your 1300 megabits per second network adapter, and your ASUS Sonar Essence STX sound card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress your graphics cards as well as your processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. Your computer is going to beast this test because it's an absolute monster. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and incredibly powerful, and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down your system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.